Hello, this is our compressor of cold storage. Pressure switch is faulty, so technician will make bypass. Okay, two compressor for cold storage. This one, how many ton, I don't know. We need to check. There's no. Okay, thank you.